Low-profile spice drawer inserts make spices easy to find while staying out of sight in small kitchens. Start by measuring the drawer depth, height, and width so you can choose an angled insert that fits and keeps labels visible at a glance. For angled spice drawer inserts, use shallow risers that set jars at a 20 to 30 degree angle so the front labels face upward and can be read when the drawer is open. Place taller jars in the back and standard jars up front to prevent tipping. Pull-out spice trays behind cabinet doors work well in narrow cabinets. Install a simple sliding mechanism or use friction fit rails so trays glide smoothly and do not require drilling into finished faces. Magnetic spice boxes in the drawer let you cluster loose tins or small jars together and prevent shifting during drawer movement. Fix a thin steel strip to the drawer bottom and use magnet-backed containers for a modular layout. Vertical spice pull-outs near the stove take advantage of a narrow waisted gap and keep frequently used spices at hand. Mount with a soft close slide and group items by cooking type to speed retrieval. Lid organizer inserts keep matching lids and small packets neat and double as spacers to hold jars upright. Choose bamboo or plastic inserts that can be trimmed with a utility knife for a custom fit. People commonly overcrowd a single drawer, which causes jars to tip and labels to hide, so split spices into two focused zones such as baking and savory and rotate seasonal items to a secondary storage area. Another frequent mistake is ignoring jar uniformity, which makes stacking and labeling inconsistent, so transfer spices into uniform clear jars and label the tops and fronts for two-way readability. A third issue is placing the drawer too far from the cooking zone, which slows workflow, so prioritize a low-profile insert in the cabinet closest to the stove for everyday spices, and move rarely used items to a pantry or less accessible drawer. We run BigHomeProjects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work related to cabinetry and kitchen upgrades. We also host an active discussion community so users can share photos, ideas, and real-world feedback about spice storage solutions.